Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to read Facebook messages without seen. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Okay, here we can see I have a new message from this conversation, and right now I'm gonna read this message without seen. So for that, all I have to need, first of all, I'm going to turn off my net connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi from here. And after turning off internet connection, I'm opening that conversation, and here I read this message. And now close the conversation and tap and hold above the conversation, and now click on mark as unread. After that, again turn on your internet connection, and that's it. In this way, if you read any message, they won't be able to see any indicator to understand that you have read their message. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.